Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network.
Welcome back. It was a hot Sunday afternoon. For some areas, it was the hottest day of the year so far. And of course, with all that heat and instability, we saw some pop-up showers and thunderstorms. And you'll notice some of those storms off to the west, over top of Huntsville and just to the west of Huntsville. You can see some of that rain falling right now. Still 86 degrees in Huntsville. Some of that rain-cooled air now making its way past the Huntsville International Airport. Winds out of the southwest at 6 miles per hour. And speaking of Huntsville, we hit our first 90 of the year today. First one of 2022. Made it up to 91 this afternoon. And if you look back over the last 30 years, our average first 90-degree day of the year is May 20th. So we were about 5 days earlier than that average. So kind of where we should be here for our 90s. A look at the Wave 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network. It's not nearly as active as what we were seeing maybe an hour and a half ago, but still some dangerous cloud to ground lightning with some of these cells and even some hail with some of these stronger cells. You'll notice this one right here just passing over top of I-565. That one is likely to produce some pea-sized hail over the last 5 to 10 minutes, still producing some heavy rain and dangerous cloud to ground lightning. And these are drifting to the southeast, starting to weaken some, but still you need to be indoors if you're hearing thunder right now with that lightning threat. And we'll continue to see the chance for some of these pop-up cells, but we're starting to lose some of that heat and instability. So now we have to start to turn our attention off to the west and northwest. This is a larger complex of storms out ahead of our cold front, and that'll continue to work its ways east and southeast. What'll be interesting to watch, we'll be seeing these storms moving into this environment that's already been worked over, so they may be weakening rapidly as they approach because we just don't have the fuel in place like we had earlier today. We do have a severe thunderstorm watch in place for all those areas shaded in pink off to our west, so those storms are expected to be strong as they approach North Alabama, but should be weakening. And what we expect here for this evening, chances drop off a little bit. And if you're west of I-65, that's where we're expecting stronger storms. If you're east of I-65, that line will quickly dissipate as it moves through. How about tomorrow? We'll have the cold front still nearby, so that'll still trigger a few pop-up showers and even isolated thunderstorms, even around the morning commute all the way into the afternoon. But if you head further off to the west, that's where you'll start to see drier and clearer conditions. So there's a look at future radar. This is 8 o'clock this evening. Look how quickly this forecast model brings it in. Some bring it in a little bit slower, closer to 9, 10 o'clock tonight, but still widespread thunderstorms. But look how that line quickly weakens as it moves east all the way through the rest of tonight into the overnight hours. It's possible that we have a few lingering showers into your Monday morning and Monday afternoon. This particular forecast model does not have those lingering showers, so most areas starting to dry out. Not expecting a whole lot of rainfall, especially for areas east of I-65 with tonight's storms, and we could see some better chances for storms by next weekend, and you can see that here on the 7-day forecast. But before we get to those rain chances on Saturday, look at the heat building in after our cold front tomorrow. We quickly warm back up to 92 on Wednesday, 93 on Thursday, still in the low 90s on Friday.